Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the basics. Park, set ignition to ACC or on, and turn interior lights on so the menu shows options. Next, tap the 8-inch infotainment screen, then open Settings and select Vehicle or Lighting. The label varies by model year. If the Ambient option is missing, make sure your infotainment firmware is up to date. If not, prepare a USB update. Once done, you'll be ready to change colors and intensity from the Ambient lighting menu. You now enter the Ambient menu and select which zones you want to modify, front, rear, or door trims, because each zone can differ. Choose a preset color, then use the hue slider to fine-tune shade and temperature. This is why the slider matters. Presets give quick looks, sliders give precise ambience. After color, set brightness between 0 and 100% so it complements night driving. Make sure to save the setting to your driver profile so it returns automatically. You finish by applying and testing settings. Save them, then cycle ignition off and on to confirm persistence. Test at night and while driving because ambient brightness that looks good parked can cause glare on glass while moving. If a zone doesn't light, inspect the fuse box and door connector for loose plugs and verify the infotainment firmware. Sometimes a rollback or update fixes communication errors. If problems continue, contact a dealer with OBD or system logs for diagnostic help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.